AI search is changing everything. Is your business ready? Your website traffic may be falling and your competitors are not worried. Why? Because AI search is reshaping how people find businesses in 2025. Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative. I've done a video about this before. I help small businesses make every marketing dollar count. And today I'm showing you how to win in the era of AI search. AI search platforms like ChatGPT, which is the most popular, and Google's AI overviews and other generative AI tools are changing the game. Google search results are being replaced with AI-powered summaries. Have you noticed that in your market? I can see it. That means your site traffic can vanish if you're not optimized for AI-driven results. Some reports show Google's AI overviews have already reduced traditional search traffic in some markets by as much as 70%. Okay? This is where answer engine optimization, or AEO, comes in. Instead of SEO alone, AI is now favoring content that directly answers customers' questions. These are answers that get pulled into AI responses and presented to users before they even click through to a website. Think about that. Here's the opportunity for small businesses. AI doesn't just prioritize big brands. It surfaces the most relevant, helpful content, no matter who wrote it. If you provide clear, authoritative answers to real customer questions, you can earn visibility even against larger competitors. So what should you do right now? Start by creating FAQ-style blog posts or landing pages. Use your website to answer questions your customers ask you every single day. Next, test how AI tools are summarizing your category. Type your service into ChatGPT or Bing Chat and see what shows up. Then tailor your content to match what those platforms are highlighting. Makes sense, right? Don't forget credibility signals like online reviews, updated business details, and proof of expertise. We always like to see a minimum of 100 Google reviews to move the needle. That's not a magic number. That's just what we like to see with clients. AI pulls through signals to decide who to recommend. The bottom line is this: building content that AI trusts means building a presence that gets recommended, not just found. Businesses that adapt to AEO, answer engine optimization, now will secure visibility while others are left behind. I'm Max from Max Out Creative, trying to make your marketing future-proof. If this helped at all or made you think about something just a little bit differently, please like and subscribe. And drop a comment telling me what questions your customers ask the most. That's perfect for exactly what you need to answer and put on your website.